Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock DW-6640 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the upper left button, that's the adjust button, and when the seconds begin to flash, release the button. Now we are in the position of setting our seconds value, but we cannot set it exactly, but what we can do is reset them to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button, and it will go to 0. There it is. Whilst the seconds are flashing, you can also switch between 12 or 24-hour time format, which is indicated over here. And that is done by pressing the illumination button. So when I press it, it will shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Next up, press the mode button, and the flashing moves on to my hour value. It is flashing 2022, but I can shuffle it by pressing the lower right button, and it will shuffle the values. Until I get it to exact value, I'm gonna keep pressing the lower right button. So there it is. Once I've set my hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and my minutes begin to flash. Again, procedure is the same. By pressing the lower right button, I'm shuffling my minutes value. To access fast rotation, simply press and hold the button, and it will engage rotation of the digits. And once you get to your designated time, simply release the button. Next up, press the mode button again, and we have our 23 number flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our year value. Again, pressing the lower right button will shuffle it. Pressing and holding it will engage fast rotation of digits, and once I get to my desired year, I'm gonna release the button. Now I'm gonna release it and press it just once to get to my desired year. Once done with that, press the mode button once again, and flashing moves on to my month value. Number 7 corresponds to month of July. It is correct, but I can shuffle it by pressing the lower right button, and it will shuffle between my month value. I'm gonna leave it at 7th. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and my day value is flashing. I can shuffle it by pressing the lower right button from 1 to 31, and once I get it to my exact date or day value, I'm gonna leave it at that. So today is 27th, I believe. So let's go. There it is. I have set my day value. Press the mode button, and we move on to the beginning, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button, and the watch will go back to the standard timekeeping mode, indicating our date. So it's Thursday, 27th of July, 22 o'clock and 46 minutes. Also, you can enable or disable the flash alert by pressing the lower right button, pressing and holding it. So press and hold, and beep and this icon on the display, which means that our flash alert has been enabled. Again, to disable it, press and hold it in the standard timekeeping mode, and it will go off, which means that our flash alert is disabled. That was another tutorial video on my channel. This time it was the Gshock DW-6640, the 40th anniversary of Gshock. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.